So
All right,
Anthony, question.
yeah.
So, for example, in Jacksonville, Duval is one of the largest counties just in Florida in general. So when we look at it from Jacksonville, like how you broke that down into Lawrenceville, but Duval is the county.
Yeah.
So would you break it down by zip code?
There you go. Zip codes.
Okay.
And you will go through your MLS and figure out where they're buying them at. Your goal is to
Okay.
find out where they're buying them at. That's like if you want a new pair of shoes, and Simone, I know you like being fly.
Holla.
You're going to search all over Jacksonville. I want to know exactly what mall or boutique those shoes are, and you're going to drive there to go get it.
I got you. Or I'm going to stalk them online, but I feel you.
Anthony, do we also do it like how you do the pricing? So do it by school?
Well, it all depends on your client. Well, what we're trying to figure out right now is where to market. We don't where to market, and we know if we want to market where the average person can move up. These people, according to what y'all told me. I'm stupid. I don't know anything. This is what you told me. You said these people bought a house for $200,000. Lauren told me that, and they're moving up to these price points. And she's 100% right. 36% of the people that are buying in Gwinnett County are buying in Lawrenceville, and they're paying $375 to $600. And so now what we got to do, Lauren, is put in Lawrenceville, because now we know where they are, and now we need to see what they're paying. So we're going to take all 43 of these. I like this. I don't like quick CMA. I love this CMA. But you got to be under 200.
Same here. I don't like the quick CMA.
Yeah.
I like to be specific.
We go to page 3 and page 7. Y'all already learned this on how to price a home? Oh, pay attention. Told you everything's progressive. 3. All right. Now we got our house. So page 3 and page 7. So I just kind of like take a quick look at page 3. $136 a square foot is the average. What are people buying? They're buying 3,527 square foot house on average, 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. That's why I didn't have to put baths actually. And they're paying $469 and they're selling in 4 days. This is on average what people are buying in Lawrenceville right there. And we ain't even doing this like 10 minutes. Let me go to page 7 real quick. Oh, probably a little bit longer because we got a lot more comps. Uh-oh, sorry. Y'all can still see my screen?
Mm-hmm.
All right, perfect. All right, let me get down the bottom. Let's go. Here we go. I'm trying to get to the other grid that's below this, which is my baby. My baby. All right. So lowest price, highest price, average price. Average price per square foot, which is really all we care about. So we know if a person is moving up to purchase in Lawrenceville, in Gwinnett County, which is the number in Gwinnett County, everybody's buying Lawrenceville, 36% of the market. We want to get these people that they're buying at $469. Now, all right, I've been in here in a while. I want to get y'all 6